Hello, welcome to this video where I'm going to look at how to do a pretty cool crossfade transition. So I've set up the clips in a certain way. So I've divided the beginning clip, so we've got the start clip, which is the desert, and the end clip, which is the ice spikes. So I've split this clip up, and if we take a look at it, you can see it just goes on like that. And then you'll notice that when this one comes in, this is at 90 scale, this one's at 80, and that one's at 70. So we're going to press the C key, and that gives you this razor tool. And the good thing about the razor tool is it actually gives you like a little bit of guidance of where to cut it. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the intersection of the points here, and we can just do a cut there, and a cut there. Now that the cut's been done, we want to lower the opacity of these three clips on the right hand side. So to do that, what we can do is we can click on this clip and go into the effects controls and change the opacity to 35%. So we can click on opacity and press copy, and then we can select these two clips here and then Control V, and that's going to place it in. So now if we take a look, we're going to see it's a slightly smoother transition. Now we're going to go to the effects panel and we're going to put a cross dissolve in. So we're going to drag this one to the bottom here. I'm just going to select that and copy it. And then what we can actually do is we can press Shift and select the end points here. And we'll also select the start point there and press Paste. And that's going to put the cross dissolve in all of them. And what we want to do is we want this cross dissolve to last all the way across like that. So we'll take a look what happens now. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So here's the final output. Thanks for watching.